Getting a top job in finance is notoriously challenging. That is why there are a few different certifications to choose from that allow you to stand out in the application process and increase your chances of having success. Today, I want to talk about the certification that I think helps you grow your career the most without breaking the bank or taking years to complete. And it's called the Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst FMVA certification. The FMVA certification helps you master many of the skills that you will need to know in order to crush it in any finance role. The course also helps you get fully prepared for any technical interview questions that you may face during the application process and serves as a stamp of approval that you are a hard worker and proactive learner. But before diving into other aspects of the value of this certification, if this is your first time on my channel, then hey, my name is Cameron Galbraith and I'm a finance professional here in New York City. I make new videos every week aimed at helping you level up in your career, so make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss an upload. And with that said, let's discuss why I think the FMVA certification is the way to go. All right, so what's in the FMVA program? Well, the Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst certification is a professional program offered by the Corporate Finance Institute that aims to develop and certify expertise in financial modeling, valuation, and other related financial skills. It's designed for individuals looking to advance their careers in finance, particularly in roles in the financial analysis, investment banking, private equity, corporate finance, or consulting spaces. The FMVA program covers a wide range of topics, ensuring that learners gain comprehensive knowledge in financial modeling and valuation techniques. The curriculum is structured into core, elective, and optional courses. Core courses include foundational subjects like Excel proficiency, financial modeling for three-statement models, valuation techniques, and financial analysis, ensuring that candidates build a solid technical skill set. Topics such as corporate finance, budgeting, forecasting, and scenario analysis are also covered in these core modules. Then the elective courses offer the flexibility to specialize in areas relevant to the participant's career goals. Learners can choose from subjects like mergers and acquisitions, leveraged buyouts, real estate financial modeling, or industry-specific modeling, such as for mining or oil and gas sectors. The FMVA program emphasizes real-world application, meaning learners will engage with case studies and hands-on exercises to apply the concepts they learn, preparing them for practical challenges in their professional roles. Financial modeling is at the foundation of any finance role, so fortunately, the FMVA certification puts an emphasis on real-world applicability in their lessons. If you want to go into investment banking, being able to build a discounted cash flow model is imperative. The FMVA helps you do that in your sleep. If private equity is the long-term goal, then the FMVA's focus on leveraged buyouts will be a major help. Where a lot of your traditional finance education may look to build strong finance generalists, the FMVA is perfect for those who want to establish a specialization in their technical expertise. At the conclusion of the program, candidates are required to pass an assessment that evaluates their skills across the various areas taught. Upon passing, they are awarded the FMVA certification, which is recognized globally as a mark of proficiency in financial modeling and valuation. The certification equips finance professionals with the tools they need to build sophisticated financial models, make informed decisions, and provide strategic insights, making them valuable assets to their organizations. The FMVA program includes 54 courses, 200 plus interactive exercises, a blockchain certificate awarded after passing the exam, and more than 500,000 five-star reviews. If you want to learn more about the program, you can check out the link in the description. But for now, let's transition into how the certification will help you in your career. All right, so whether you're a student stepping into the workforce for the first time or a seasoned professional pivoting into high finance, the FMVA certification can significantly bolster your resume, demonstrating your commitment to mastering essential financial skills. After all, 96% of CFI learners report an increase in their ability to perform on the job or in an interview. For students looking for their first role out of college, the FMVA offers an edge by providing practical, hands-on training that often goes beyond what is taught in academic programs. While many finance graduates leave school with theoretical knowledge, the FMVA equips candidates with the ability to build financial models from scratch, perform detailed valuations, and use Excel in ways that are highly sought after in industries such as investment banking, private equity, and corporate finance. Employers value candidates who can hit the ground running, and having the FMVA certification signals that a candidate possesses not only the academic foundation, but also the technical expertise required to succeed in high-stakes finance roles. For professionals looking to pivot into high finance from other fields, the FMVA is a powerful tool for showcasing a clear transition in skills and knowledge. Transitioning professionals often face skepticism from employers about whether they can succeed in a new role without a direct background in finance or the specific function they want to pivot into. Earning the FMVA demonstrates that you have taken the initiative to acquire specialized financial modeling and valuation skills that are critical in high finance. This certification can help you bridge the gap between your past experiences and the technical demands of finance roles, giving you credibility and helping you stand out in a competitive job market. In both cases, the FMVA's global recognition and emphasis on practical, real-world applications of financial theory make it a valuable credential. It shows that you are serious about developing your financial expertise and can apply it immediately in a professional setting, which is precisely what many employers are looking for today. And if you don't think having a certification makes a difference in your application journey, hiring managers do. In fact, 94% of senior-level finance professionals reported that with all other facts being equal, they were more likely to hire someone who holds a relevant certification than someone who does not. And in today's hiring market, you definitely want to have that 94% on your side. But the FMVA certification isn't just for people looking to land a new job. It's also a powerful asset for professionals looking to earn a promotion in their current role, particularly in finance-related positions or industries where analytical and decision-making skills are key. By completing the FMVA, you demonstrate to your employer not only a desire to improve your technical expertise, but also a commitment to bringing added value to the organization. This can make you stand out as a candidate for promotion, as it showcases both initiative and mastery of skills that are highly relevant to strategic decision-making. One of the primary ways the FMVA helps in advancing your career within your current role is by equipping you with advanced financial modeling and valuation skills that are directly applicable to a wide range of business functions. Whether you are in corporate finance, FP&A, accounting, or a related field, having the ability to build dynamic financial models, forecast future performance, and assess the financial health of projects and investments positions you as an invaluable resource to your team and leadership. As businesses increasingly rely on data-driven financial insights for decision-making, possessing these skills can help you take on more responsibility and make a stronger case for promotion into managerial or leadership positions. Moreover, earning the FMVA demonstrates a proactive approach to professional development. Many companies value employees who take initiative to upskill on their own and bring fresh perspectives to their roles. This certification serves as proof of your dedication to continuous learning and improving your performance, which can signal to your employer that you are ready for greater challenges and responsibilities. It also helps build your credibility, giving management more confidence in your ability to lead financial projects, influence decision-making, and contribute to long-term business goals, all key factors in being considered for a promotion. In addition to expanding your technical toolkit, the FMVA can also improve your ability to communicate complex financial concepts to non-finance stakeholders. This skill is critical for upward mobility in any organization, as those in leadership positions need to bridge the gap between technical data and broader business strategy. By mastering the ability to translate intricate financial models and analysis into actionable insights for senior leadership or cross-functional teams, you can position yourself as a thought leader within your organization, further enhancing your chances for promotion. And best of all, the FMVA certification is super flexible with whatever timeline you have to work with. Because you can complete the lessons asynchronously, the FMVA is very manageable to complete even when working a demanding full-time job. Whether you want to commit a certain time each day or a specific day each week to work on the lessons, the FMVA works well for any busy schedule. And with that said, that's why I think the FMVA is the best certification you can get to help you grow in your career. Not only does it give you a stamp of approval and showcasing your technical skills, but it also shows your employers your initiative to develop in your career. If you want to learn more about the FMVA, then visit the link down below. And as always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.